Hello. Today we're going to take a look at some things you'll need to learn or be able to do to use Zoom and do other work in the classroom at the same time. So first of all, let's just take a look at Zoom. And you'll notice here in the screen that you can see I'm off to the left of that screen, but I can make that screen bigger just by clicking on the left-hand side of that screen. And until I get the double arrows, I actually don't have to click. I just have to put the cursor on there. And then I pull it to the right, my screen will get larger. And then if I have my cursor on the screen, there's lots of things you can see that you need to know how to do. First of all, on the lower left, you guys are going to have a little microphone. You'll be able to mute your audio. And you should be muted most of the time, probably when we're talking, unless you're about to talk. You can also stop your video for a moment, but most of the time your video should be on so that we can see you, understand what you're thinking, maybe a little bit by your face or whatever else. I can look in participants. I can see who's here. You should be able to find chat because you're going to want sometimes to go into chat because I might be able to put a message in chat. So you can open it up and go into chat, and you can close chat out also. Sometimes you'll want to be able to share your screen with other participants, and so you need to know where that button is. You can also make reactions. You can clap or you can give me a thumbs up if you'd like. So you should know where that button is. There's a more button. That's not really going to be useful for you right now. All right, so now what about when you want to have a split screen where you can see your Zoom class and you can also do some work on here? So then you're going to need to get two screens up. Now I'm going to go off and I'm going to open up a screen, and then I'm going to show you how to be able to make a split screen. So I'm going to open up that screen, and notice it opened up into the whole screen. I want my Zoom on there so I can see my Zoom that's going on, but I also want to be taking a look at this screen right here. So I'm going to go in the upper right-hand corner. You guys can see where the cursor is, and I can shrink this box down, shrink that screen down. And sometimes it doesn't shrink down the whole way. For example, your screen, when you shrink it down, it may be all the way over here, like to the left, but that's okay. You can just go over there, get that double arrow on there, and then shrink it down. All right, and so I'm shrinking it down so that I'm going to be able to see the assignment that's there, and I'm also going to make my my Zoom screen larger so that I can see me. You guys are going to see lots of people on that screen, but I'm making this video with only me on it. Okay, so now you have a screen that where I could actually go work on this. This happens to be your test for your first test. So I can go work on this test. I can type on it while I can still watch Zoom, and that's how you're going to want our classroom to be. Okay, so make sure that you're able to get in here and go into here and make screens larger or smaller, or get another document. Oops, I X'd out of that one. I didn't mean to do it, but get another document open, and so that you can be working at the same time you're in Zoom. So that's all you need to know, hopefully, from this video.